One of the biggest reasons why people never used to trade in watches is that people didn't know what to pay for the watches.
The vision for WatchBox was simple. It was to become the largest buyer, seller, and traders of luxury pre-owned timepieces.
We are a group of passionate watch enthusiasts out to serve the watch enthusiasts of the world.
WatchBox will be your trusted and long-term partner in your journey of watch collecting.
The WatchBox business for me is a very fun business. It's full of people that are young and passionate about watches.
What we're trying to do is provide liquidity to the watches. The market's getting more and more transparent. There's more information out there.
Together in the watchmaking end, we have over 150 years of experience.
Both the brand owners and the customers will appreciate the service that WatchBox brings.
We have product, we have technology, we have process, but ultimately what makes us truly, truly different is our people.
We're not only here just to buy, sell, and trade watches, we wear them, we love them. So we designed our technology to do things that help us manage our collection.
So if you go to our app today, it educates you about news per brand. It gives you 20 bloggers or wristwatch magazines or experts that you can quickly stay up on top of things.
We also have a video section where you can watch the latest videos from WatchBox Studios or any one of our thousands of watch review videos.
At WatchBox Studios, we promote absolute engagement and awareness from our customers. With over 20 million views and upwards of 50,000 subscribers to our online video, we are an effective, compelling, engaging, entertaining, and educational voice for the WatchBox family.
The centerpiece of the WatchBox mobile app is the digital WatchBox.
Take a picture of your watch,
Upload your collections,
enter the model number, upload it to the app,
store all of your pertinent information.
and within minutes,
We are able to give you an idea what your watch is worth.
You can treat your watch collection almost like a stock portfolio and check on it every week to see how it's doing.
We use technology to help us enhance the human connection and to build trust.
What's fascinating about watches is they're a global commodity. While not everyone likes watches, every demographic does, every country does.
Clients no longer need to go to the local store if they don't want to. We can be a global store while being local.
WatchBox is a 100-year-old startup.
The Hong Kong office was set up in May 2017.
Our parent company in Philadelphia has an operating legacy since 1916.
And we think that Asia is very much a leading indicator of where the growing trends are coming from.
And in the US, they have a culture of buying and selling pre-owned watches. We can introduce this concept to Asia as it adopts the whole culture of owning pre-owned watches and enjoying the art of collecting all these watches.
We think there's an incredible opportunity to further grow the business.
Because the #1 luxury today is time. Nobody has any. So I think what we've been able to do at WatchBox is simple.
But we are breaking the mold in terms of the traditional business model.
We're here to give the customer assurance that we're here and we stand by our purchases and we stand by the watches that we sell.
We've been able to educate the customer when they want to get educated.
So whether this be the first watch you're buying for yourself or as a gift, or you buy several watches a year, we want to help you get the most out of that.
there's a lot of talk about luxury and concierge and white glove service. We truly embody that.
With the utmost of transparency.
We aim to not just sell, we aim to educate, to innovate, to be partners with our customers, part of their enthusiasm for watches and be part of that journey.